Hello guys, welcome back to my channel RSK Training, and as usual today we will be learning some more Excel tips, rather formulas in Excel. So like I promised you in my last video, today we will be covering some more functional formulas about if. So we will be doing accordingly. I'm sure you would like my video. So if you like my video, do give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notifications whenever I upload a new video. Okay, so not wasting any more time, let's jump on to the if formulas, if advanced formulas. So today we'll be covering the accessories of if. Now, like we have fashion accessories where when we dress ourselves, like similarly we have accessories which are used with if function. So logically these are called nested if functions. So okay, these are the nested functions, these are the accessories of f. So I would be covering one by one with formulas so that it's easier to understand. Now say I write 2 and say I write the first accessory is blank of this, then give me blank, else give me non-blank. You might be knowing, obviously it's not blank, so it will give me non-blank. However, if I delete it, it's a blank. Now coming to the if error function, so say I will write here Vlookup A17 and this to the table here, give me 2 and 0. Before that, I would like to say that if you want to know more about the Vlookup function, go to one of my earlier videos and you will find more details about the Vlookup function. I will share the link in the description box as well so that it's easier for you to refer to that video. Right, so coming back, so I apply Vlookup and since it is not there, the blank is not there, so it gives me an NA. Now I will show you what is the if error function. Is there function of this, give me error or else give me not error. So guys, what should it give? It's basically an error, so it should throw an error. But low, it's giving an any, that's not an error. So if I write is NA, it gives me an error. Now if I mistakenly write lookup instead of Vlookup, it's an error, it's a name error, but NA tells me it's not an error. In this case I will be using is error. Is that says it's an error. So like you can see here, there are 3 error handling techniques. However, is error captures all the error handling techniques. You can refer to one of my videos earlier which explains you all these errors. I will give you the link in the description box as well so that it is easier for referring. Anyways, so is error captures all these errors but does not capture the NA error. NA error is captured by the is NA formula. So if I use is error here, it's an error because the name function, NA, it's an error again. But if I write here 4, it's not an error. So is error is capturing everything. Is NA, specifically only NA. Is error, everything except NA. I hope it's clear now. Okay, moving on to the next one, is even. Now all of you might have studied in school that even numbers are those numbers which are divisible by 2 and odd numbers are those which are divisible by 3, or rather which are not divisible by 2. So it's 4 is an even number, but 5 is not an even number. Similarly, I will write is odd. So 5 is an odd number. Let me do here O and N so people don't get confused. So it's an odd number. 4 is not an odd number. Okay, now coming to the logical values. Now, what are logical values? You might be knowing true or false. So if I say logical, I use an if formula says logical test, true, false. So if logic is logical, this one, give me logical, else not logical. So it's not logical because it's blank. If I write it true, it's getting logical. Okay, now coming to the next one, if it's is formula this, then give me formula, else give me not a formula. So it's not a formula because I've written something true. If I simply give it reference, it's a formula again. Okay, then coming to the is text and is not text. So if is text this, then give me 1, then give me T, else no text. It's not a text value because it's a number, it's a reference, sorry. So ABC, it's a text value. 1, 2, 3, it's a not a text value. So you might be then coming to the is no text. Is not text, not text, text. So sorry, is non-text. It's not a text value. ABC is a text value. Then coming to the is number everyone knows. Now you may be thinking, what is the difference between is number and is non-text? Because if it is a text, if it's not a text, it should be a number. So right, as I've mentioned here, it can be a number, it can be a date, it can be a time. So if I write say today's date 29 October 2022, it's not a text value. Alright, I hope it's clear now. So not every number is non-text. Number is non-text, but even date and time is non-text. When you calculate is number, it's only the whole number, not a text, not any other date value. So if I use is number over here, it's a numerical value because date is captured, this date specifically is captured as a number, right? Now say if I write this 29th October 22, it's a non-text, non-number, sorry. So you may notice this sign over here. This is put to so that it's represented in a text formula. I hope you understand this. If you have used Excel, I mean, you might be knowing this. Okay, now coming to the last one, which is isref of this, comma reference, else not a reference. this is a reference to a date value. So if I put simply 2, rather let me convert it to general format, it's a reference to 2. So this is actually referencing to A17, so it's a reference. However, if I give a formula over here, say I write just 2 here, it's not a reference because it is referencing to 2, it is not referencing to this A17 anymore. I hope it's clear. If there is any doubt, any issue, anything you don't understand, please leave a comment and I will be happy to answer your comments so that things are quite clear about everything about these accessories. Right, I hope you liked my video, so I will end with this note. Again, if you like my video, do give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you are notified of my videos whenever I post it. Right, thank you guys, thank you until next time. Bye bye.